How to explain genes to children without causing anxiety. Imagine trying to tell a story about what makes you, you. Sometimes talking about genes can seem complicated, but it's really just about understanding what makes each of us special. Genes are like tiny instruction books inside our bodies. They tell our bodies how to grow, what color our eyes are, or how tall we might become. Think of it like a recipe for baking a cake. The ingredients are the genes, and they decide what kind of cake you get. You can tell children that genes come from their parents. Just like how they might get a color from their mom or their curly hair from their dad. It's like passing down a favorite family recipe. Genes are part of something called DNA, which is like a long, twisted ladder inside every cell in our bodies. This ladder holds all the instructions needed for our bodies to work properly. It's helpful to focus on the positive side of genes. They help us understand why we look the way we do and why we might enjoy certain activities. Emphasize that everyone has their own special set of genes that makes them unique. This can make children feel proud of what makes them different from others. If children ask about health or traits, explain that genes can sometimes carry small changes called mutations. These are just tiny differences that can affect how our bodies work. But most of the time, genes help keep us healthy and strong. If they're curious about genetic testing, tell them it's a way for doctors to learn more about our genes. It's like a detective work that helps us understand our health better. Reassure children that genetic testing is done to help people stay healthy. It's not something to worry about. It's just another way we learn about ourselves, like reading a story about our family. Encourage them to ask questions and be curious. Let them know that it's okay not to understand everything right away. Genes are a natural part of who we are, and learning about them can be fun and interesting. By talking about genes in simple, positive ways, children can see that their genes are part of what makes them special. It's a story about how we're all unique, and that's something to celebrate. Remember, the goal is to make the topic friendly and reassuring, so children feel safe and excited to learn more.